Hi, welcome to Animal Academy. Today, we're going to talk about wolves. Now, wolves belong to the Canidae family, which also includes dogs, foxes, and jackals. In fact, domestic dogs were originally wolves that humans domesticated thousands of years ago. But today, we will focus on their wild cousins. Wolves are highly intelligent animals with a keen sense of hearing and smell. Their hearing is so acute, they can hear sounds 4 times as far away as humans. And their sense of smell is 40 times stronger than ours, which helps them find food and detect danger. This makes them efficient hunters, and also means they have to be careful because other animals can smell them coming. Another interesting fact about wolves is that they are social animals who live in groups called packs. Packs usually consist of related individuals such as parents, their adult children, and grandchildren. The social structure of a wolf pack is hierarchical with an alpha male and female at the top, followed by beta wolves and then the omegas. The alpha pair leads the pack, making decisions about where to hunt and how to defend their territory. The betas help the alphas, and the omegas are generally the youngest or oldest members of the pack. However, not all wolf packs are led by an alpha male and female. For example, in the Arctic, some packs are led by the most dominant wolf, regardless of gender. Within a pack, wolves communicate using a variety of vocalizations, including howls, growls, and whimpers. Howling is perhaps the most iconic wolf vocalization and can be heard up to 5 miles away. Wolves howl for various reasons, such as to communicate with other wolves, establish territory, or locate pack members. They also communicate using body, language, and scent marking. Scent marking is an important way for wolves to communicate with each other. They do this by leaving urine, feces, or scent glands around their territory. This helps wolves identify each other's sex, reproductive status, and individual identity. Wolves are highly adaptable animals found in various habitats, including forests, grasslands, and deserts. They typically prefer areas with abundant prey and dense vegetation for shelter. One of the most well-known types of wolves is the gray wolf, also known as the timber wolf or the gray wolf. As its name suggests, it is typically gray in color, but can also be black, white, or even brown. Gray wolves are the most widespread and numerous of the extant wolf species, and are found throughout the northern hemisphere. They are highly adaptable and can thrive in a variety of habitats from tundras and taiga to grasslands and deserts. Gray wolves are known for their large size, powerful jaws, and excellent hunting skills. They are highly social animals living in packs with a complex hierarchy and communication system. The gray wolf is an apex predator, meaning it is at the top of the food chain in its ecosystem. Its diet primarily consists of deer, elk, and moose, but it can also prey on other mammals such as bison, coyotes, bears, and even other wolves. In addition to their hunting skills, gray wolves play an important role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystem. By preying on herbivores, they help control their populations and prevent overgrazing. They also help to disperse seeds through their feces, and their presence can influence the behavior and distribution of other animals. Another type of wolf found in the Arctic Circle is the Arctic wolf. It is also known as the white wolf or the polar wolf. Arctic wolves are perfectly adapted to survive in one of the harshest environments on Earth. They have thick, white fur that acts as camouflage in the snowy landscape, helping them sneak up on their prey. Their paws are large and round with thick fur in between the pads to provide insulation and traction on ice and snow. Their ears are small to reduce heat loss, and their tails are bushy to keep their body warm and balanced while running. Arctic wolves typically feed on caribou, which are their primary prey, as well as other Arctic mammals such as lemmings, foxes, and muskoxen. They are also scavengers and will eat the carcasses of animals that have died of natural causes. Arctic wolves are solitary animals and only come together to mate. After mating, the female gives birth to her pups in a den, which can be a cave or a snow den. She will raise the pups on her own until they are old enough to hunt. A third type of wolf is the red wolf. Unfortunately, it is currently listed as critically endangered by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, or IUCN. There are fewer than 20 red wolves left in the wild, all of them living in North Carolina. Red wolves typically live in open woodlands and swamps, and prefer areas with a mix of trees and tall grasses. They are smaller than gray wolves with a lighter, reddish coat and shorter legs and ears. Red wolves are most active during the dawn and dusk hours when they hunt for their favorite meal, white-tailed deer. They also prey on other mammals such as raccoons, opossums, and rabbits. Red wolves are highly endangered due to habitat loss and fragmentation, as well as hybridization with coyotes and domestic dogs. To protect them from extinction, conservation efforts have been put in place to preserve their habitat, breed them in captivity, and reintroduce them into protected areas. And finally, let's talk about the Ethiopian wolf. This rare and elusive animal is found in the mountainous regions of Ethiopia and is known for its distinctive reddish-brown fur and bushy tail. Ethiopian wolves typically inhabit the Kula, forested highlands and prefer areas with dense vegetation and plenty of prey. They are known for their agility and stamina, often chasing their prey over rough terrain. The Ethiopian wolf's diet consists mainly of the Ethiopian highlands endemic rodent called a mole rat. These mole rats are surprisingly good swimmers and live in underground burrows. But the Ethiopian wolf is able to locate them and dig them out with its sharp claws and teeth. Despite being an excellent hunter, the Ethiopian wolf is threatened by habitat loss due to deforestation and agriculture, as well as competition with other predators like leopards and jackals. Conservation efforts are underway to protect the Ethiopian wolf and its habitat. In conclusion, wolves are highly intelligent, social and adaptable animals that play an important role in their ecosystem. From the gray wolf to the Arctic wolf, red wolf and Ethiopian wolf, each species has unique traits and characteristics that make it special. Wolves have been revered and feared throughout history, and their presence in our world is a reminder of the beauty and power of nature. I hope you enjoyed learning about wolves. If you did, please hit the like button and share this video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on future episodes. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Animal Academy. Bye.